Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make something glamorous for you. Alright, let's get into the video. You need a bowl or a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, or if you have one at home, well, let's go ahead and make something. I'm gonna use some of these rhinestones. You can get them from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. I'm gonna use the white, and I'm gonna use some of these ones in the turquoise. You need one candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I got this from the dollar store. It's a candle holder as well. And I'm gonna use this candle holder. I add some of it inside already because this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna load it up, and then I'm gonna glue this one on top of this. So we're gonna put these aside for now. You need some glue, whatever glue you can use. This is my E6000. Some glue sticks and my glue gun. We're gonna add some rhinestones, and after I'm gonna add the white ones on top. Sometimes when you're closing it, you won't find one too much. What you want to do, you want to leave a little space right here, and then you want to find a big one. And then you're going to do it like that. Now, to start the second row, you just randomly add some stones. Sometimes you have to use some smaller ones, and sometimes you have to use some big ones. You just want to fit them in. Just like that, guys. I'm going to continue right around until I reach about here. Then I'm going to come right. I'm going to do 2 more rows of this one, and then I'm going to add the white. I turn it upside down because then I can see how to fit them in. Just like that, guys. I'm going to finish the next row, and then I'm going to come right back. This is it. I'm just going to choose a nice form area for the front, and then I have 3 little bit of silver ones. I'm going to put them there. And so I'm going to add the next one on this side. I'm almost done, but there is a little space on top. So now I'm going to take the smaller ones and I'm going to add it just like that. And it's gonna look something like that. I'm gonna finish it up. This is it, and this is the last one. And that's it, guys. We're gonna move on to the next step. This is all done. I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna grab this candle holder and I'm gonna add 3 gems in it. Make sure it's flat. And I'm gonna add a little bit of height. So this one, I'm gonna glue it on top, just like that. And then I'm gonna add a few more gems on top. And then I'm gonna glue this one with these gems on top, just like that. I'm gonna glue this on top. Just like that, guys, and that's it. It's beautiful as is, so I'm not gonna add anything to the bottom. I'm gonna make a second one as well, and I'm gonna take out this part. So I'm gonna put this round part and the bottom part, make it the same way, put them on display, guys, and then I'm gonna show you with some lights in it. Yes, all right, guys, soon come back. Yes, this is it again, guys. Yes, another one in the bag, DIY. Yes, your Jamaican girl Tuna. Guys, I'm gonna talk really fast today because I'm a little bit hoarse. My God, maybe frog in my throat. I need to get some natural remedy right now, all right? I just threw up some leaf of life and I took my aloe vera juice. So guys, this is it. Look at it right there. This is just a decoration piece. I add some silver to the center and I kind of stagger it with the turquoise at the bottom and the white rhinestone or marbles. Oh, and I got these lights from the dollar store. They're $1.50, I think, a piece. Beautiful DIY candle holders, centerpiece. Beautiful for any fancy occasion, elegant for wedding, anniversary, birthday, whatever. And the bottom, you can remove it. I just add it on there for display, or you can glue it to it. It's up to you, your choice. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Mwah, mwah. Blessings. Mwah. Put God first.